Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for checking in with the KBTX Weather Team on Facebook and on Twitter. Do have a couple of updates for you. Number one, not looking at a whole lot of rain across the Brazos Valley just yet. Most of us looking at partly cloudy skies, some fluffy cumulus clouds that we will be watching to see if they get tall enough to drop a little bit of rain a little bit later on. But right now, other parts of Texas getting in on a whole lot of rain. That is just south of our area, just to the east of our area, and then I think eventually into our area. In fact, we're starting to see some development right now in the Brazos Valley. I think we might see the radar get a little bit more colorful as we go through the rest of the day. And as of right now, the thunderstorms that we're seeing are manageable, especially if we wouldn't have had last week's rainfall event. But what we're concerned about is some of these storms dropping a quick 1 inch or 2 inches, and that could definitely exacerbate flooding issues that we've had, especially over the past several days. So right now, all this activity is moving off to the north and the west. Nothing severe, not really expecting anything severe, though an isolated strong storm is definitely a possibility, and it looks like through the rest of the afternoon, we do have a chance for some thunderstorms, and I think coverage will increase pretty quickly later this afternoon as well. So that's a look at about 3 o'clock on our PinPoint model. Notice you don't see a whole lot of red, but what we could see are some isolated strong storms that, again, could dump a quick 1 or 2 inches, and that's what we're particularly concerned about for this Wednesday, where the widespread rain threat comes into play as we go into our Thursday. See lots of green on the radar and a little bit of a swirl as the low pressure system is just going to kind of hang out over our area through at least Friday evening before we get a little bit of a break, and then it looks like we have at least some more solid rain chances for Saturday too. Flash flood watch remains in effect until Friday evening. That's through Friday at 7 p.m. for the entire Brazos Valley, and you can see that flash flood watch extends to many areas to our west as well. So heavy rain, that main threat, along with the flooding, obviously. We've got that biggest threat there, 1 to 4 inches, plus a possibility widespread across the entire area, isolated amounts of even more. That is through Friday evening and maybe into Saturday a little bit too. Tornado chances are very, very low, but of course something we will monitor for you. 7-day forecast shows that our best rain chances are still to come, especially for Thursday and Friday. Saturday and Sunday, we start to see things taper off at least a little bit, but still expect plenty of thunderstorm action to be around at least through the early part of Saturday, maybe even into Saturday afternoon as well. And then things look to quiet down a little bit as we head into next week.